Okay guys, welcome back with another video. Big up to all my subscribers, everyone who subscribed to my channel, who gave my video a thumbs up. Well, I am here with two packages, actually one package, but I got two separate shipping. So this is a package I got from Shein, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I did a unboxing. I don't know if you saw my last video from Temu, but this is one from Shein. So I wanted some clothes for work, and I decided that okay, I'm gonna buy something. But when I went on Amazon, the prices were too expensive, so I saw a few stuff on Shein and I just add them to my cart. I wanted to buy more stuff, but I just decided that I'm just gonna buy these first. So I'm gonna open this up and let you see what I got. So the first thing I bought is a hat. I wanted a hat to wear at work, so this is a hat because I have to walk in the sun most of the time. So this is a hat, and it came with this on it. So you just put it at the back like this. Let me just do it. So these are the buttons that you would normally pin them on. So let me try. So you just pin them like this all the way around. And I don't remember the price for this, but I'm gonna try to put them on the screen somewhere here so you can see. So this is a string. You just press this button like so and pull it to how tight you want it. So this is, I think this is dark gray, and it has mesh here. So this is what it looks like. So now I have something to cover my face and my neck from the sun. So that's that. Because the one I have is very old and it starts to get really twisted. So this is it, first item. So the second item, it was just a small haul, nothing too fancy. So this is pants. I wanted some pants to work in. And this is the man pants because I didn't really see anything that I like in the women's section, so I decided I'm gonna go to the men's section. So this is cargo pants, and this is size extra large. I'm not sure if it can fit me, but I decided I'm gonna choose extra large. It's drawstring waist and elastic, and see if it can fit really fast. The waist seems to be really tight, guys. This doesn't look like it's gonna work because the waist is tight and it can't go over my thighs. So this is another one. This is like a khaki color. I'm not sure if this one will fit, but this one waist seems to be more elastic. More elastic in this waist. Let me see. This one seemed to fit. I can wear this one to work for sure, but the other one, I'm gonna have to give that one away. Alright, so the next package I got, it's a good thing I didn't buy all 4 that I wanted, because probably all of them wouldn't fit me and I would just wasted my money. So I bought tracksuits, and this is on sale for like, I think it was $6 or something. I'm gonna put the price up right here. But this was on sale, flash sale, and I added it to my cart and it was sold out the next day. It wasn't even the next day, it was the same night, but when I went back to purchase it about after midnight, it just sold out. So this is tracksuit. And it has Los Angeles written on one of the legs, and this is large. I added 2 of them, but then I just wasn't feeling the other one. It was a black one, but I like this one. So I'm gonna try this on and see if I like it. We have to be buying these stuff now because they are selling out really fast and it's cold time now. So even though I'm in the tropics, whenever it gets closer to the December time, it's still cold. So this fits for sure. Fits for sure. I'm not gonna try the shorts because I know once this fits, the short is going to fit. So I like this. I've been hearing a lot of people talking about this, and I wanted to try one of them before I bought all 3. So this is my next package. I'm planning on buying some more stuff before the holiday, but I just wanted to purchase these first. But guys, look at this. Yes, but I don't like how they ship this. They just ship it in this package by itself and this bag. I don't really like how this was shipped, but it says all the juice, as you can see. Peach please, body mist, broom, pure le corpse. That's, I think that's French. I've seen a lot of persons review these and say they smell nice, and I've read quite some reviews on the Shein website that these are nice. So let me try. Oh my god, it smells nice. It has a fruity smell, like expensive perfume. I don't know if it's long lasting, but some persons say on the website that it is long lasting, so I'm going to have to try that and see. But it smells nice, and I paid about $11 and some cents for this, so I'm liking this so far. I'm gonna buy the other flavors. So this is what it looks like, but I'm liking it. Thank you. Smells good. So guys, that was just a mini haul, and the best thing for me was this so far, and my suit. I'm gonna have to get the other flavors. So if you want to see more unboxing videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and just stay tuned for more videos upcoming. But I'm liking this. For real, I'm liking it. Ain't nobody tell me that I don't pay X amount of dollars for this because it smells expensive. It smells really nice.